Hi teacher, this is my oral exam of Progreso 2 and my name is Alexis Vaca. The first question is, in your own words, explain what does being successful mean to your personality. Use example from your own life. Success is usually associated with a triumph or achievement in different aspects of life, taking into account that success is related to fame and wealth. But the true success is very relative because for one person it has one meaning and for another person it has another meaning. For me, success means achieving what is truly important, fulfilling all my priorities and living in congruence with my values. A successful person for me is my sister because she has met all of her goals. In addition to all this, she has a stable economy and a quiet life. Second question. In your own words, explain what do you think are some positive and negative aspects of the impact of tourism in Ecuador? Tourism is one of the largest industries on the planet. Amazingly, 1 in 10 jobs is thanks to tourism or relative activities. It has a very important role, as mentioned, in the generation of employment, and therefore is the increase of productivity in a country. In the environmental field, it has a positive impact, considering previous years. Quite strong campaigns have been carried out to generate a higher percentage of sustainable tourism, taking into account first the environmental and then the economic benefit. And finally, tourism has been named by various leaders as a driver towards peace and a better understanding between different cultures. In another hand, not everything is good. For example, an amazing economic phenomenon is that tourism generates inflation due to the growing demand for product and constant offer, causing a rise in price. In this way, all things become more expensive for local people in many industries, such as real estate and even in product of daily consumption. What I mean is one of bottle of water in a popular place is more expensive than an unknown place. For example, in Cotopaxi National Park, a bottle of water is more expensive than out of National Park. Maybe the price is 2 times expensive. Environmental damage is one of the main consequences of tourism. It is impressive how much pollution in rivers and lakes there is by tourism. All this has a very serious consequence since it generates disease such as a salmonella. For example, the contamination of the Pumacunchu River in Latacunga is impressive. 10 years ago, the river was completely clean, and today it is an example of the contamination that has been generated. Another example, one of these is the Salayambo Lake. Due to the contamination of the Paramos, a fairly notable contamination has been seen in the lake. The vocabulary that I said are amazingly, impressive, what I mean, amazing economy phenomenon, environmental damage, and contamination. Thank you so much.